first of all, we've got to get this clear. Before you talk of per clerk's contributions to developments of the Niger Delta, you have to begin with its clear and undeniable contributions to Nigeria. He was a Nigerian statesman, a father of our country, a leader of our country, who led a lot of people in this country. He was a leader of leaders, a father of fathers. Did his best, lived a great life. I mean, you can't possibly ask for more. 97, and strong and active and articulate till the end. So we've all lost a father and a leader of leaders, a father of fathers. So it's a great loss for Nigeria, first of all. A great loss for Nigeria, a great loss for all those who wish Nigeria well, a great loss for humanity. And then you come to the Niger Delta, a great loss for the Niger Delta as well. But before the Niger Delta, a great loss for Nigeria. All of us have lost our leader and father. And that's why you see this, a lot of people here and many more as the news continues to make waves. And it's a celebration of life. Celebration of life. There was nothing he didn't achieve. And I don't think he left anything untouched. So while we have lost a father and a leader, we are beginning the celebration of a great life, well lived. And hope and pray that God should grant him eternal rest on the other side, having worked so tirelessly on this side, without retirement, no leave, no transfer, working hard and serving hard, selflessly, speaking truth to power, saying no when no is the right answer. We've lost a great leader, great father. We've lost actually a moving and breathing library. A moving and breathing library. Custodian of history, custodian of a lot of good things. So we've lost him. But like I said, it's a celebration of life. And come to think of it, he and his great friend and compatriot, Pa Adebanjo, left few days apart, as if they had they agreed between the two of them after a lifetime of selfless service. They agreed to leave us at this point. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. But it's more than a coincidence. We've lost great leaders and fathers of our country. But I know that they have mentored a lot more. They've mentored a lot of us, including me and several others. These are people who never, whose contributions you can't count. They left a lot of us as their children and mentees.